Welcome to Adam Home Cooking. Today we are preparing grilled mackerel. So these are the ingredients for preparing my grilled mackerel. I have my fresh mackerel here. I have my seasoning, my spices. I have my lemon, garlic, ginger. The ginger has been washed. I just like it with the skin on. So if you don't like the skin, you can peel it off. My chili pepper, I want it very spicy. My mixed pepper, I'm using the yellow one. You can also use the green or the red. White pepper, my Maggi for seasoning, salt and oil. So I'm going to start by cleaning my mackerel fish. I'll show you how to clean it quickly. This is my mackerel. So what I do is I use my fish scissors to cut off the parts that I don't want. Some people also grill it like that with all these things on, but me, I like to make it look good. So you see, I put the scissors. I like my fish head, so I'm keeping the head on. I don't want to cut the head off. So if you don't want the head, you can cut it off. I love my fish head. So I'm just using my scissors and then I'll pass it through here and cut off and then I'll pass the scissors through the end here. See, so I can use my hand to take out the see, so you can use your hand to pull it out like that, so you can give it a good wash so you can see that the fish is all clean. So I'm going to wash this one now. So my fish is clean, so you can see it's all cleaned up. I want to cut it into halves. You can also do it whole as it is, but me, I want to do it in halves. So any type of fish at all. You can use your tilapia, hagfish, any fish of your choice at all. And then after cutting it, I'll just use my knife to mark it up like that. Make a mark so that the season can go through. You can see my fish is very fresh. It's firm. Anytime you are buying fish, you check the eyes that is shiny. That means the fish is fresh. And then you feel it that it's firm. If you press the fish on and it remains there without popping up, that means the fish is rotten. So I'll set this my fish aside and now I'll make the seasoning. So I'm just going to cut my fish into a bit smaller size again. My ginger, garlic. I'll use the 2 chili because I want it very spicy. I forget to mention the lemon. What I do with the lemon is that I squeeze it on my fish. This is the lemon. So you give it a nice taste, and also to take away that fishy smell. Give it a nice taste. So this is my lemon. After cleaning the fish and everything, so I'll leave this lemon on for a few minutes whilst I'm getting the vegetables ready, the spices ready, because I'm going to wash it away. I'm going to rinse it again. So I'll just roughly chop the ingredients to season my. I'm using yellow pepper, but you can also use green, red, or any color of your choice. Yeah. So I'm going to blend this. put this in my food processor together with my Maggi. I like to blend it together with the Maggi. And you can use any seasoning at all, any seasoning that you have in your kitchen, you can use. I also have my white pepper, which I'll add later. You know, all these Maggi tablets contain salt, so I'm going to add salt last minute, well, after tasting it, and I know that the taste maybe need more salt. So I'm going to add oil. Anytime you do this, you use oil to blend your ingredients, because I don't want water in my seasoning. And I didn't add any onion. You know, when you are grilling or roasting, when you add onion to your seasoning, it makes it watery. Even when you are doing it in the oven or grilling it, you see more water coming out of the thing, and I don't want that water. I want just the spices. So I didn't add any onion. That's my choice, but if you like, you can add your own onion. Yes, so now my spices is smooth. See? So I'm just going to use it to season my fish now. I just want to rinse it. Some people leave the lemon on, but me, I just like to rinse it. So I'm going to grill my fish in this. Use my halogen oven. I will use to grill my fish. So I'm just using a kitchen towel to dry my fish a bit. You can also do it in your oven. So this is the seasoning. I'm going to pour it all over my fish. Then I'll use my white pepper. You can also use black pepper if you like. You know, you don't always have to copy hot eye like the spicy. You just open your kitchen cupboard, whatever spices you have, you can use. Yeah, and then you use your hand to make sure the seasoning gets really into the fish, to the belly. So I'm going to leave this here to season for about half an hour before I start grilling it. You know the seasoning. You can also use this same seasoning to season your fish, your chicken, and you know, chicken, anything you want to grill. Yeah. So I'll leave it on for 30 minutes before I turn the heat on. So the mackerel is ready. You know. So as I said, if you have your big oven working, you can grill it in your oven, or I just use my halogen oven because it's not a lot. I don't want to waste my gas turning on the big oven. So here we are. My grilled mackerel is ready, and I'm going to serve this with semolina. So I'm just going to garnish this one now. Enjoy.